Hello, um Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. For personal reading, King Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Maraming salamat sa mga nagko-comment, guys. Sobrang natutuwa ako sa mga comments niyo. Kahit po heart lang, malaking bagay na yan, guys. Hindi niyo lang alam kung gaano niyo ako napapasaya pag nagko-comment kayo. Let's start. Kunin muna natin yung main energy mo. And then the person mo. This is love reading for Earth sign. You do have here sent home, the fans, and destiny. For your person, I'm gonna take this. You do have your Knight of Roses. Wait lang, guys. Let me just shuffle the cards. Ten of Roses. And Page of Lutes. Six of Mirrors is here. What is the situation between the two of you? Hindi ko na kinuha yung yung iba pang lumabas na hindi naman bumagsak, but rather ito lang mga bumagsak. Okay. You do have your desire on the table, plug, and roller coaster. Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito, ano no kung ikaw ba'y nagsusugal? I can see someone here na or recently lang, pwedeng naglaro, like maybe sa perya, or nagtry kang sumugal, tumaya, maybe sa even online games will do, basta involve ang money, gaano man kalaki or kaliit. This could be a reading. I can see friends, like these friends or people are like parang pinagkakaisahan or pinag-uusapan ka. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, I don't know if you do have a migraine. So that's your energy. And for your person, I don't know about you guys, pero maaaring hindi mo nararamdaman yung pagbalik ng taong ito sa buhay mo, but this person is coming back. Ten of Roses is here. Like ikaw talaga yung kanyang comfort zone. This person is like katulad mo siya eh. Parang kunwari walang pakialam sa connection na to, but this person is coming back. Katulad ng Knight of Roses, you see it's like a race here. Pero ang racing kasi, ang patutunguhan talaga niya is the finish line, and that could mean na itong connection na ito there's a finish line and definitely malapit na siya or nandun na siya mismo, and that is regarding sa connection ninyo. Pabalik na siya sa'yo. And also at the same time with the roller coaster, kung hindi ka pa familiar, pag sumakay ka ng roller coaster, ang iniista pa ng roller coaster is kung saan din siya galing. And for what I can see here is that there's this person na pabalik, and this person is pabalik na sa'yo, nagmamabilis, nagmamadali pa. So soon, this person is coming back to your life, and you do have your plug, and this is connection sa inyong dalawa, na might be there's an offer here na paparating mula dito sa taong ito. Both of you likes each other. Pareho ninyo minamanifest ang bawat isa. For some of you, nagkaroon ng sexual like pagpapantasya na energy sa side mo and sa side niya. Tell me more about the connection. Sa ngayon nga lang, no? Bottom of the deck, you do have here crickets. So, this is silence, non-action. So, walang action eh. Kaya hindi mo nararamdaman na ito ay possible na malapit nang dumating itong taong ito. Kasi hindi siya gumagawa ng action eh. And might be ikaw din. Pareho kayo, walang masyadong kagalaw-galaw. Pero I'll tell you what, malapit nang dumating itong person na ito. You do have here control. Yeah. Might be both of you are trying to control yung pagkagusto ninyo sa isa't isa. You do have here guilt and separation. Yeah. Pareho kayo na nagkakaroon ng pagkocontrol sa isa't isa, sa mga actions, sa emotions, but there's this chemistry between the two of you. Could be dealing with a twin flame or a soulmate. There's a lot of love, a lot of passion. And you do have your action. And mas nakikita ko yun sa side ng person mo, like the action, energy ng person mo ito. Someone here is taking action. Someone here is being the energy is siya yung magte-take ng action in the near future, because some kind of masculine energy sa kanya ang lalabas, kasi might be may awakening sa connection ninyong dalawa. So babalik siya ng mabilisan agad sa'yo, malapit na. Hindi mo pa namamalayan or hindi mo pa nararamdaman ngayon, pero soon enough babalik siya. What will be the future for the two of you? Bago yung future, gusto ko muna makita yung challenges. Kunin muna natin mga challenges sa inyo. Knight of Flutes. Queen of Flutes. Well, I feel like challenge sa inyo is for some of you, this is distance. For some of you, pwedeng money, material things, kasi wala pa akong may offer, wala pa akong maibigay. Wala pa ako nito, wala pa ako yan. You know? And someone here might be, ang challenge is, gusto niya munang maabot yung pangarap niya, gusto niya munang, might be may iba pang naghihintay para sa akin in the future. Alam mo yun, yung parang lumayo siya saglit para hanapin yung sarili niya. And that could be a person. Pwedeng yung challenge is, tinry niyang hanapin yung sarili niya pero hindi naman niya nakita sa iba or hindi naman niya nakita na maaabot niya yung pangarap niya na hindi naman pala. You know? Kasi might be inisip na hindi ikaw yon, hindi tayo, hindi para tayo sa isa't isa, but then na-realize there's this awakening na nangyayari. So, I feel like itong challenge na ito is na-overcome na siya eh. Kaya nga malapit na yung pagdating. Kasi nandun yung na-realize na ng person na ito, naintindihan niya na-realize niya na, nakita niya na wala naman pala siya yung hinahanap niya doon, etc. So, what will be the future for the both of you? In the near future for you. You do have here interlude at the bottom of the deck. Oh, kaabang-abang. See? There's this kaabang-abang na pangyayari in the near future sa inyong dalawa. Why? Ayusin natin muna yung cards. You do have your cleansing. So, may mga mawawala sa buhay ninyo na magiging dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng malaking pagbabago. I feel like there's this pagsabog na news or like you do have your gossip. Definitely, someone here will be a connection or a situation na pag-uusapan ng marami. Bakit? Kasi puputok na lang yung balita na I feel like it's hindi magandang pangyayari sa sitwasyon, sa separation pa ninyo ha. Pwedeng sa sitwasyon mo or sa sitwasyon niya na magiging dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng malaking pagbabago. Like this thing needs to happen para bumalik yung person na ito. In the near future, you do have your bounty hunter. I feel like there's this chasing kind of energy. Yeah, you do have the chaser. And this person will chase you. Maghahabol siya sa'yo in the future because this person realized na mahal ka pala talaga niya and that you are his or her dream man or woman. So, ayun. Nakakita talaga tayo dito ng malaking chismis na puputok. Pag-uusapan ka ng maraming tao because of this, pero kailangan mangyari yon. But this person don't care anymore. Tell me more. Yeah, you do have here realization. So, like what I've told you, may realization na mangyayari dito sa person na ito. Kaya niya gagawin itong action na ito, which is, ito nagpakita ito as reverse which is, naramdaman natin yung reversal energy, which, ito kanina, if this is in upper right, this is silence, non-action, but it is in reverse, so this is action, yung action mismo ng person na ito. And this person, hindi niya makakalimutan kahit yung mga maliliit na detalye na sinabi mo noon. We do have here done, completion. Yeah, there's a completion of something. And maybe pati sa connection ninyo, there's a completion, which is mag-e-end ang connection nito ng masaya. Because definitely this person is coming back. This person will chase you. And this person, dahil sa mga realizations niya na yon, babalik siya at hindi siya titigil hanggat hindi kanya nakukuha. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.